What's up, everybody? It's Tony here with Alternative Living Spaces. We're standing in front of a 20-foot shipping container tiny home that we recently completed. This unit is completely off the grid, so a really unique setup. Excited to show you. This also reflects our alt 20-foot standard tiny home model, so a really good example for those of you that might be interested in that model. So let's go ahead and head inside and take a look. This unit is 160 square feet. It's 8 feet by 20 feet. This one's a high cube container, so it's 9 foot 6 inches in height. Gives you the nice tall ceilings inside. Because it's a small space, this unit is really good as an Airbnb rental for two. It's also good for someone that's maybe single or a couple to even live full time in. Definitely would be downsizing, but could be done. And with a small space, you really have to have spaces be multifunctional. So this first space I'm in would function really as your living room and your bedroom. Right where I'm standing is a great location to put a sofa Murphy bed. Across from me is where you'd mount your TV. In the day, this would function as your living room. And then when it's time for bed, you'd fold your bed down and go ahead and it becomes your bedroom. A couple features about how we designed this unit. We went with white shiplap for all of your interior sidewalls, laminate flooring, which I really do like this flooring. It does cover any dirt that's being tracked or anything really well. And it also complements, I think, the white nicely. Also on the ceiling, we went with a smooth finish drywall. All the way down the ceiling, you're gonna see our flush mount LED lighting. And in the back, you'll notice our mini split HVAC unit. It's a 9,000 BTU mini split. So really great for a space of this size. Does a good job at heating and cooling the space. Next, I wanna show you our kitchen area. This is really our standard kitchen layout in terms of the finishes. So you'll see this in a lot of our models. Go with the butcher block countertop, our 2-burner stove top that we like to use. This one we went with the matte black finish in terms of the fixture, the hardware, things like that. Stainless steel sink, and then white cabinetry. So not a massive kitchen, but for something that's going to be used as an Airbnb rental, this really functions well. Also opportunities, if you needed to maximize space, you could do upper cabinetry. This unit's a little bit unique in that they're going to actually have a stackable washer dryer right here to the right. And then here on this other side, they're actually going to have their fridge. So their fridge will be right here in this location. And then one thing I do love about this unit is that it does have a lot of windows. So we recommend doing a bar top right underneath these windows. Functions as a great place to eat, to work, to simply hang out. And if you have great views that you can be capturing, it really helps you to capitalize on that. As you walk into the bathroom, you got a nice pocket door, stays hidden, pops with a really nice black color off of these white walls. So I really like that. And then on the interior, this bathroom's a little bit different. You know, we went with an off-grid toilet. So it's a Lavio dry flush toilet, so completely off-grid. Went with our standard vanity here with the butcher block countertop, white vessel sink vanity. Same type of fixture finishes in here with the matte black sink and matte black hardware. And then we went with the corrugated metal showers. These are actually roofing panels. And so definitely a unique, different style with the matte black fixtures in here as well. A few final things that are cool about this unit is it does have an all glass sliding door entry, allows a lot of natural light in. But what I love about it is you can actually close the original container doors in front of your sliding glass door for extra security. So if you're putting this on a mountain property or somewhere in the desert and you are concerned about people maybe breaking in or messing with your unit, really good way to make sure that it's secure. And like we mentioned at the beginning of this video, this unit's completely off grid. So it has 2,500 watts of solar up top. It has a 10 kilowatt battery and 5 kilowatt inverter. So this thing really can power a lot of things on the interior, from the AC unit to the stove top to the fridge. We also do recommend, if you're going off grid, to incorporate some propane elements as well. And we mounted these solar panels directly to the top of the shipping container. It was a total of 6 panels, so it literally covers the entire top of the container, but it really did turn out well in order for this client to have a unit that's completely off grid. Thank you so much for joining us and checking out this tour of an alt 20-foot tiny home shipping container. I hope you enjoyed it. For more information on our products, you can check us out online at alternativeliving spaces.com. We'll see you in the next video.